You've been trying to make money online but failed. Do you know that getting traffic is a struggle? For years, you've been trying to crack the make money online thing with no success. You've been told you need to have a huge list to make money, expensive funnels, lots of social media followers. You know it's possible to change your life, but those around you are telling you it's not. So today, I present to you GameKala. So in this review, I will show you what is GameKala, the pros, the features, the sales page, the live demo, and everything you need to know about this product and how this product can help you to make money online. But before we start, like always guys, I will much appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bells. That's helped me and helped the channel to grow up. Also motivated me to do more videos like this one. Now let's get started. So first, what is GameKala? GameKala is an artificial intelligence software used gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generate passive affiliate commissions. The GameKala app will generate this traffic for days, months, and even years, all from a single click. You know those people who got on the first Facebook wave and are now making millions. You now have the chance to get on this into your first gaming wave where it's just getting started. After many months of trial and error and thousands of investment, they created a system called GameKala that turned the industry on its head. This is how they are making plus $1,000 online. You will start seeing results in 60 seconds or less. The training shows you how to make plus $1,000 daily with free traffic from a secret source which will be revealed to you. So this is some features of GameKala. Piggyback on the hottest viral trend, artificial intelligence gaming system. GameKala is 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, 3-click setup, brand new method. GameKala is newbie friendly, massive potential, starts only as early as today, 100% money back guarantee. So what can GameKala do for you? Software for siphoning buyer traffic for your page. You will receive a user license which you can start using immediately to send buyer traffic to any page of your choice in 13 minutes or less. Over-the-shoulder video training, they show you exactly how to get started using the app to maximize your profit. 4 figures a day case studies, seeing real case studies of people just like you achieving online success with GameKala, which accelerate your results even more. VIP support, no one likes to go for days without an answer to their queries, which is why they invested in high-tech support system that will provide you with leading-edge support to your queries. Passive traffic starting today. GameKala generates passive traffic for no additional work. All you need is to choose a keyword and point the software to any page of your choice. The app generates traffic and sales for days, months, and even years to come. Peace of mind. It's hard to place a value on peace of mind. So here in the sales page, introducing the world first app to use secret gaming loophole. Artificial intelligence software uses gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generate passive affiliate commissions. 100% newbie friendly. Just press go. So there is 3 steps to use GameKala. The step number 1, choose a keyword. The step number 2, the software will get busy gamifying that keyword. And the step number 3, follow our secret method inside the member area to generate a deluge of hungry buyer traffic. If you scroll down in the sales page, you will see some more features and advantage of GameKala. Now let's see GameKala from.
And happy profiting, building your list, making money.
And for the bonuses, you will get 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, 1K per day webinar. The bonus number 2, keyword generator pro. The bonus number 3, clean squeeze software. The bonus number 4, conversion guinea. The bonus number 5, killer traffic generation tactics. And for the price, you can grab GameKala today for just $17.42. And of course, you will get 13 days money back guarantee if you face a problem on the product or you don't like it. And for my honest review, I think GameKala is a great tool for anyone looking to generate traffic, leads and sales. Hands-free, it's easy to get started with the artificial intelligence. It automatically does all the work for you and no additional cost. The GameKala app may be just what your e-commerce business needs and all in order to increase their revenue without any extra effort on your part. Thank you guys to watching my review of GameKala. If you want it helpful, please share it with your friends and family on social media or comment down below as what you like it about. The link of GameKala in the description below, and don't forget to give this video a like, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.